Morning, April 25th. Another glorious snowy day, as you saw by my earlier video, my short. What we have here is a 2012 F-250 with a 6.2 liter gas. The windshield washer not working. I managed to get it to work. You got to really push hard on the button. Regardless, got a new one, got it changed. But screws right there, there's almost no room. So the quick tip of the day is this is a number 9 because I don't have a number 10 in that kit for some reason. It must have slipped out, ran away because it's so little. You can just get it in there, get it loose, and then the trusty Leatherman to take the screw out. You can just reach in and you spin the screws out. The thing slips right out. It's just a simple plug-in like a computer board. It just notches in there. It's a T10, and it's not the end of the world if a guy has to cut one of these down so it's that long. That will get that screw loose enough that you can get it out. Just a quick tip, saves you pulling the steering wheel. I didn't want to, and I didn't. Again, thanks for watching.